Hello, to create a Microsoft SQL Server data source, go to the Data Sources menu. On the screen that appears, click the New button, then choose the connection type. In this case, SQL Server. Next, enter the name of the connection. For example, Warehouse. Click on the Next button to configure the necessary elements: the server name, authentication type, username, password, and database. Note that the other settings, server certificate, or encryption, allow you to configure additional options. Finally, the Startup Query text box allows you to force the use of a specific query each time the source is used. This allows you, for example, to change the user context. If the connection configuration is incorrect, for example with an incorrect password, the list of databases will not be populated. This ensures that the settings have been configured correctly. Finally, to validate the creation of the data source, click on the Save button. You can now access the Schema tab to view the available tables or profile the data. The Description and Security tabs also allow you to document the source and configure access and sharing rights. Thank you for watching this video.